Hi people, today I wanted to show you the difference between one of my favorite beauty products of all time, and that is the Westman Atelier Super Loaded Tinted Highlight. I have the Super Loaded Tinted Highlight here in Peach and in Rosé. So I'm gonna do different looks on both sides of my face because I like to look like a maniac, but I also just wanna show you the difference and how I'm gonna create two different looks with them. You know, people ask me a lot, Alex, what is the meaning of life? And I say, I don't know. But then they ask me, what's the difference between the two Super Loaded Tinted Highlights that you have? And I got your back. So the Peach is definitely more of a bronzy, dewy, glowy tan look. And then when you use the Rosé, it's more of a bright, springy pop of pink, especially if you have a more fair skin tone with pinky undertones. This is gonna be great for you. If you've got more of an olivey, tan undertone, this is for you. But you know what? I'm versatile, so I'm gonna use both. What I'm going to start with, just to get a good base, is the Westman Atelier Vital Skin Foundation Stick. I am Atelier 3, and I just go over all my little problem spots. Got a lot of problems, apparently. And then I just take my pre-wet beauty blender, and I'm gonna blend that all in. What I do like about the Vital Skin Foundation Stick is that it's very smooth and very soft, and it really gives your skin a very natural looking finish, almost like it sinks into skin to become like your skin, but better. Honestly, like, take me over, Westman Atelier, I need all the help. Then I'm going to go in, just because I've got some blemishes, you know, stress, coronavirus. Not that I have coronavirus, I'm just stressed about coronavirus. Stay inside. I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Glossier Powder on a brush to go over the spots that I know I always need a little bit of extra help. Now that I've got my base down, I'm going to take the Westman Atelier, the Lit Up Highlight Stick, and I'm just gonna do a little bit around my orbital bone, down my nose, a little bit the lip, chin, just to add to that really natural highlight we're gonna be doing. The Super Loaded Tinted Highlight is nice because to me, it's really an all over cheek color. That's how I use it rather than just a traditional highlight, because it just adds that nice glow from within that looks very natural. We'll start with the Super Loaded Tinted Highlight in Peach, so that more dewy bronzy color, and I'm just gonna take it with my finger, again, much more cost affordable than a brush, and I'm just gonna swipe it on the high point of my cheek as an all over color. Make sure you get into that hairline. I don't need anyone calling me out right here. I'm getting in there. We're getting familiar. I'll even put a little bit up here on my forehead just to make it look natural, and a tiny, tiny bit along that chin. Because again, I'm trying to make it look like I'm glowing from within, and I haven't been in my house for 897,000 days. Next, we're gonna go in with the Rosé on this side. It's really a light highlight that's going to make it look like that flush, like you're in love, everything is great. And honestly, I do need to fake that right now. Not the love part, but that everything is great. So again, same points, high point of the cheek. Ooh, ooh. Catch that bathroom light. Again, blend into that hairline and up and out on the cheek. Get a little more around here. So can you see the difference? More sun-kissed, more, I want to be kissed. That works, I think. So to kind of finish off each look, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of blush. On the side that's more bronzy, I'm gonna go with something a little more mauve-y, deep rose, which is Baby Cheeks in Dow Dow. And then on the pink side, I'm really gonna play it up, and I'm gonna go with the bright poppy pink of Pop It. So just a little bit. I don't want to overdo it because I already did kind of all over my cheek with the Super Loaded Tinted Highlight. I'm just gonna buff that baby out. On the Rosé side, go with a little bit of Pop It. A lot of Pop It. And once again, blend out and more up. So it's a very natural, easy look. If I weren't doing this on camera, it would probably take me a total of 5 minutes, which is ironic because I've never wanted 5-minute makeup more when I truly have all the time in the world. I'm gonna tend to my brows a little bit because no look, like honestly me as a person is not complete without eyebrows. Gonna finish off the look with the Westman Atelier I Love You mascara. Honestly, if it's not clear already, like Gucci girl, I do love you. In retrospect, that might sound a little creepy, but I think I mean it. This is truly one of the fluffiest mascara brushes I've ever used. It's gonna take my lashes sky high. All right, the look is done. I got like a Jekyll and Hyde thing, except in this scenario, they're both the good guys. Maybe one of those was a good guy. No, I don't think they were. I didn't read the book or movie. So again, this side the peach, this side the rosé. If you have more pinky, fair undertones in your skin, I would definitely go with the rosé. This is more of a warm olivey tone, but I really think it would look good on everyone. Let me know what you guys prefer. I think for summer, the peach is usually my go-to, but Rose, she's making a case for herself.